Assalamu alaikum everybody, my name is Abdurrahman Turkmansina and I hope all of you will find. Today I'm going to show you how to repair a corrupted or damaged flash drive. Has your flash USB flash or USB memory card ever been damaged or corrupted? If so, then don't waste your money to buy a new one. Actually, there's always a solution of something, whether it is flash or something else. So I have a USB flash drive. As I plugged into my computer, it gives me an error message which says you need to format the disk in drive H before you can use it. When I click to format disk, and then start, okay, you can see format Windows was unable to complete the format. Windows cannot format the cannot format the corrupted flash drive. It usually happens when a flash corrupts or damages. When you want to open your USB flash drive which is corrected, it will give you a message to format disk. When you want to format the disk, Windows cannot format the disk. And now I'm going to show you how to solve this problem. To solve that problem, first of all, you need to open Runbox. Run. Just click on Start and then type here Run, and then hit Enter. When dialog box of Run comes up, type here cmd, and then hit Enter. As you hit Enter, the command prompt Windows will be appear. Then type here diskpart, DISKPART, and then hit Enter. And then type here list disk, LIST DISK, and then hit Enter. After that, it will show you, the command prompt will show you your hard disk which is in your computer. Disk 0 is my computer's hard disk, and the disk 1 is my USB flash drive, which is like this. Size is 880 megabytes, like this. And then type here, select disk 1, and then hit Enter. After that, it will say you disk 1 is now the selected disk, and then type clean, CLEAN, and then hit Enter. As you hit Enter, it will say, this part will say this part succeeds in the cleaning the disk, and then here you type. After that, type here create partition primary, and then hit Enter. And then it will say you this part succeeds in the creating the specified partition, and then type here active, and then hit Enter. And after that, type here select partition 1, and then hit Enter, and now we're gonna format our flash drive. Then type here format FS means file system, and then FS, and then equals, and then FAT32, and then hit Enter. Now you can see it's 0% completed. I will pause the video at this point because it will take about 30 or 40 minutes. When it completes, I will come back, and then okay guys, we are almost there. But before we continue, one thing must be mentioned. You can also repair your flash drives, and also your memory sticks, and also your even you can also repair your hard disk if if your hard disk has such kind of problem. So now it's 100% completed. This part successfully formatted the volume. uh, as you can see, the autoplay of my flash drive came up here. Now I want to now we don't want cmd anymore, so now we are going to exit. Just tap here exit and then hit enter. Okay, it's leaving this part, just close it. And then now it's autoplay of our flash drive. Just close it, and when you come to my computer, and now here is your USB flash drive. And one more thing I forgot to say before. See, it's almost 8 GB. Before my this flash was all 2 GB. Now it became 8 GB complete. Just open it, and here's the folder is empty, does not have anything. Now you can put whatever you want into your memory card. My computer. These are the songs. Now your flash will be like a brand new flash. It will be free of, it will be clean of virus and clean of trojans, and it will be like a brand new. So here is my flash. These songs are into my USB flash. So that's the end of it, and thank you for watching my video, and I hope this video will be fit to your likes, and I hopefully be saying that you would have learned something. You would have learned how to repair a corrupted flash drive from this video. And thanks again for watching my video. If you have any questions, so just feel free to ask from me. I'm here to help you. And okay, then Allah Hafiz, see you on my next video. Until then, Allah Hafiz, tata, bye bye.